Guess what? I recently took a stroll down memory lane and I actually unearthed some old college books. And amidst the dusty pile, I stumbled upon a real gem that struck a chord, especially given the buzz in my business circles. It's none other than The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. And let me tell you, it's like finding buried treasure in book form. Dr. Murphy isn't just your average author. He's a guide to the uncharted territories of your mind. He dives deep into the labyrinth of the subconscious, revealing how our thoughts and beliefs and attitudes sculpt the very fabric of our reality. But here's the kicker. He also shows us how tapping into this powerhouse can supercharge both our personal and professional lives. Now brace yourself for the juicy part. For us marketers, this book is a goldmine of insights into the secret language of consumer behavior. For Dr. Murphy pulls back the curtain on the subconscious forces driving consumer decisions, giving us a backstage pass to crafting killer marketing campaigns that truly resonate. But wait, there is more to this treasure trove of wisdom. Dr. Murphy isn't just about theory, he's about action. Throughout the book, he dishes out practical techniques for rewiring your subconscious to magnetize success. Picture this: positive affirmations, visualization hacks, and even a sprinkle of the law of attraction. It's like having your own personal success manual. Now here's the cherry on top. Dr. Murphy weaves a spiritual thread throughout the book, connecting the power of the subconscious with something greater than ourselves. Yeah. He invites us to explore the mystical realm within and beyond, where our deepest desires meet the universe's infinite potential. So whether you're on Amazon or browsing through your local bookstore, do yourself a favor and snag a copy of The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. It's funny, my edition is an original paperback from 1963, but guess what? It's still in print. Trust me, this book is a game changer in the quest for personal growth and professional success. Thanks for listening. And while you're here, click the subscribe button down below. Thanks.